Unleashing the Sky, SpaceX's first launch of 2024. The year is 2024, and SpaceX has a mission to launch the Ovzon 3 satellite into orbit. The excitement is palpable as we prepare for this groundbreaking journey. Tensions and expectations run high, the countdown begins. We delve into the intricate technology behind Ovzon 3, the satellite designed to revolutionize global communication, unlocking new frontiers for data transmission. The Falcon 9 rocket stands tall, a beacon of human achievement. Its engines roar to life, filling the air with a symphony of power. Our cameras capture the mesmerizing ascent as Falcon 9 pierces the sky, carrying Ovzon 3 towards its destiny among the stars. In the control room, every gleaming eye reflects a shared dream, a world united, communicating freely and seamlessly across vast distances. Join us in celebrating this milestone. SpaceX's first launch of 2024, a leap toward an interconnected future, thanks to the Ovzon 3 satellite mission.